Hey guys, so as you may know, if you want to basically deposit money on Kraken, so if I go on funding and if I select the currency that I want to select, fiat currency, so for example I want to deposit in US dollars and my account is new, you can see here this section is not available for tier level unverified. And what I need to do here, I need to press on increase funding limits and verify my account. As you can see here, you can verify starters, so provide personal info, but as you can see here on buy transfers, there is no action. But if you basically provide your ID and the personal information, you can basically deposit up to 100,000 K a day and $500,000 a month. So what you need to do here is to press verify. And the first step, what you need to do here, you need to put your personal information. So your first name, last name, date of birth, address, zip code, and phone, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to put personal information, occupation. So it really doesn't matter. So for example, I will put agriculture and then press next. And as you can see here, now you need to put identify documents. So it can be passport, driver's license, or ID card. So you need to select document type. So I will put my driver's license. And then as you can see here, you need to upload your driver's license copy, right? The last step what you need to do here is to upload a proof of residence document such as utility, credit card, or bill. So we can verify your address and you can the document type. So utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement, resident certificate. Select what you want. So utility bill, example, and as you can see, loading. You need to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up. Then basically we will have access to the button that we need to done, right? Here, your account is being verified. We will email you. Then you need to press continue, right? That's pretty much it. Your intermediate account upgrade is currently pending. We'll notify you when it's done. That's pretty much it what you need to do. Alright, so if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.